Hey y'all, happy Friday. I'm excited to share with you our last items that have been added into our 31 outlet sale. So some good stuff I'm fixing to show you. I'm actually going to share this video into my customer group. So if you're not a part of my customer group, then I will put the link in the comments. That way you can join my customer group and you can see all of my posts that I have done for the outlet sale. And I did product spotlights to where you can learn more about the products that are in the sale. Here we go. Okay, so happy Friday. Thanks for staying on with me to watch that. If you're watching the replay or watching live, please comment and let me know. That way, if you have any questions, I can answer those for you. So this is our last week for the outlet sale. So the last day to place your order is going to be January 16th at midnight, okay? So this is while supplies last. So if you see something in the outlet sale in my previous videos or in this one, you might want to go ahead and get on and order it, because I bet the last few days are going to be crazy and things are going to be selling out really fast. So we added, I think, I'm not exactly sure how many things we added this week, but several things that we added. So, and I have a few of those products, so I want to show you. I showed you a lot last week, so if you hadn't watched those videos, go back. But I'm going to show you some new items that have been added. So I'm wearing green today because, hey Nancy, because I wanted to put cash in your money in your brain to tell you about how much money you're going to save in this outlet sale. So when you see my green shirt, you know why. Okay, so the first thing we added is the cozy scarves, or keep cozy scarves. These are thick. They are so nice. Hey Nancy. So these are the Keep Cozy scarves. So we also have the Avenue scarves that are in the sale. Those are real thin, so you could actually wear those in the summertime. So these are thicker, so these definitely keep your neck warm. I actually wore this around Christmas time. This is in the red chevron. One side is like a red color, and then the other side's more of a white. Hey Heather. So like you can wear this any way you'd like this, you know, of course, or you can wear it backwards. Y'all know how to wear scarves. So this is one of the scarves, and I just messed up my necklace. Okay, this is the red chevron, and then we also have this charcoal colored one, and I love wearing this with black or like a gray. It's so pretty. Of course, it doesn't look good with my green right now, but one side is this charcoal, and then the other side is more of a white colored. So if you want to switch it up where, you know, wear it on one side, it's really nice. So these are the Keep Cozy scarves. Those are in our outlet sale. And I try not to name prices because I'm afraid that I'm going to forget what the price is. So, but that is a really good discounted price. All right, the next thing is probably the number one thing that they added in the sale is the fold over weekender. Okay, our weekenders are highly sought after, and they are normally $80 full price. So the weekenders that are in our sale are $39.99. So they are half price, you guys. You cannot go unless you're hosting a party with me, you can't get a weekender for half price. So that we have two different prints in the weekenders, the candy corners, which I don't have anything right handy, but it's like that hot pink and lime green and navy. And then there's also like that brushed bloom, which is like gray and navy, real brushed flowers. But this is the print that I have to show you guys. So just for size comparison, okay? So my arm, if you hold your arm out like this is going to be how long this weekender is. So my fingers aren't all the way out. So the weekender is huge. It doesn't look big when I'm holding it, but I promise you guys it is huge. So that's the size comparison lengthways. On the inside, it is absolutely huge, and it's just really hard for me to show you guys how big this is. If my family is going somewhere for the weekend, maybe 2 days, I can fit all of our clothes in here for my entire family. If I'm going somewhere for the entire week, my week's worth of clothes will fit in here. So, and I pack a lot. So, so that just kind of gives you an idea. So if you do not have it filled to the top, which I normally do, but if you don't, you can actually fold this over like this, okay? And then there's a little strap right here. So you fold it over, and then you can hook it back here, just like that. And then you have that folded over look, which is not pretty right now because I don't have things in it to make it stand full. And it also comes with the shoulder strap. So you've got, or like a crossbody strap. So you got these straps right here, and it comes with a longer strap. So this is the fold over weekender. It's half price. Such an awesome deal. All right, the next thing that we have in the sale is the Retro Metro bag. So if you are one of my Retro Metro people, there's a group of those people and they love everything in this line. So this is the Retro Metro bag. This is in the sale in 2 different prints. So this is just the print that I have. All right, I love this bag because it has these 2 deep pockets right here. So if you're carrying a water bottle or a sippy cup, they fit perfect in here. I know Karen, she's watching. Karen's one of my Retro Metro girls. So this is in the outlet sale. Karen, you've got a big bag right here. If you're a big bag person, like you just like to throw everything in there, this is a bag for you. Such a great deal. And all of our Retro Metro line products, they have a little inspirational saying on the inside. So of course it's backwards for you guys. This one says, whatever the mind can conceive, it can achieve. So I love that. And then it has 2 flat interior pockets right here and then a zipper pocket back here. So this is the Retro Metro bag. It's in the outlet sale. All right, the next thing, a lot of people are going crazy over this in my customer group last night. Hey, Susan, Penny. This is the easygoing wristlet. So it comes with this wristlet strap, all right? It comes in this print and one more. This is in the little scribble. It's got little black and white, little white scribbles. Hey, Tabitha. And then the top zipper is in purple. All right, so this looks kind of bland, but when you open it up, it expands into 3 different sections. All right, so this first section is a place, hey Lisa, I saw that you had messaged me back, but I hadn't had a chance to look at it yet, but I'm going to text you back. You have an ID, a place for your ID right here, and then a little section right here. The middle section can be actually a change purse, and it does zip. So it zips in the middle, okay, if you need it to. You can actually store things in between these sections. And then right here, you have card slots right there, and then card slots over here. And then this zips up fully as a full closure. And then, of course, back here is, you know, the other side. So this is the easygoing wristlet. Great, great deal. I think this is $17.99. Don't quote me on prices. All right, the next one that's in the sale is the organizing shoulder bag. This is one of our oldest purses, our tried and true crossbody. It comes in one print, which is a dotty weave, kind of like a green color. This is the organizing shoulder bag. It comes with this long strap that you can adjust. So if you want to carry it on your shoulder, I think Nancy's carrying this now. She was. You can carry it on your shoulder or as a crossbody, just like this, crossbody. Oh, my necklace. All right, this has tons of compartments, okay? So the front, you have a zipper right here in the front. If I can unzip it, a big zipper right here, an open compartment right here. On the inside, it does have a zipper closure on top. On the inside, you have flat interior pockets, these 2 flat interior pockets and a zipper pocket. And it's a nice compartment size in there. And then on this side, you have a compartment right there. So this is the organizing shoulder bag. Great, great bag. If you're going to festivals, if you're going shopping, if you want to be hands-free, you don't want to carry something so heavy on one shoulder, wear it as a crossbody, you're good to go. All right, the next thing that's in our sale is the tall organizing tote. So I actually had to go upstairs and get a few of my products because I use them all the time. I use this every Sunday. This is my Sunday school bag for my class. I keep all of my things in there. So this comes in, I think, 5 prints in the outlet sale. It ranges from $9 or from $9.99 to $19.99 depending on the print. All right, so the front is kind of hard to see because this print is so busy, but you have a pocket right here, and then you have 3 little slots. I was going to grab a pen, but I don't want to have to leave the camera again. Well, let's see. Here we go. Here is, I'll put a pen in there. So it's got little pen slots right there. There's 3 of them right there. All right, then you have the long shoulder, the straps right here. It fits perfect under your arm. Hey, Becky. All right, on the inside, it does have a zipper closure, so you can close it zipped. On top, these little flaps will zip. All right, then, I should have took my Sunday school stuff out. You have 2 pockets. You have a zipper pocket right here, and then back here is actually another pocket. So this is the tall organizing tote. This is great for teachers. Think about a teacher gift for the end of the year. $10. $9.99 for a teacher gift. Such a great, look at you. Oh yes, so many more things. So many more things. So a great teacher gift. If you have a nurse in your family, this is a great bag for your nurse. Really, like I'm not a teacher, but I'm a Sunday school teacher, so I keep all of my things in here. So many uses for this thing. So the tall organizing tote, it can hold regular size notebooks, files in here. It can hold so many things. All right, so that's the tall organizing tote. The next thing is the around the clock thermal. I almost forgot the name. So there's a couple of prints in the around town or the round the clock thermal. All right, so this is great because it is the perfect size for men or for women. It comes in man prints and regular, but on the outlet sale, I think they're more. Well, there's one black and white print that the man might like. All right, so it has these two little these little straps right here if you want to carry it like this or carry it on your arm like this. Or it also comes with a shoulder strap that is adjustable. So they can wear it on their shoulder. You can wear it as a crossbody. On the inside, you have a mesh pocket right here on the top. So if you want to keep your ice pack, or I just want to say to put grapes up here. I don't know why I always think I'll put my grapes right there. And then on the inside is thermal line. So this is a great size if you carry those square Tupperware dishes. You can lay them flat in here. If you're a nursing mama, your little pump can fit in here and your bottles. This is the perfect size for that. So this is a great size, like I said, for men's lunch. If they take a lot of things for lunch, a lot of leftovers, this is the perfect one for them. So this is the around the clock thermal. Okay, it's more of like a cubed size. And the last thing I have to share with you guys is the perfect party set. So this is, of course, not the print that's in the sale. I actually like the print that's in the sale better than mine. But this is the double layer casserole dish carrier. Okay, so this is thermal also. It is, I think, half price in the sale. It's normally $60, but it's half price in our outlet sale. So you should see the tables at our church. Nancy can tell you. All of them the table is lined with perfect party sets where everybody's ordered them from me. They love them. They're the best. All right, so it's double layer, like I said. So you can put your cold things or, cold on top, hot on the bottom. So it's 2 layers. There's 1, there's 2, the 2 layers. And then on the top, you have a little place to keep your utensils or napkins or anything under there. Hey, Gina. So if you're only using 1 layer, you can zip this top layer up to where, let's see if I can zip up the correct one. You can zip up that top one, and then you won't have to worry about it, flopping around. Let's see. There we go. So I just zipped it up, and we've only got 1 layer showing. So this is the perfect party set. And then on the back, you can put your information. So if you accidentally leave it at church, they'll know whose it is. Hey, Savannah. So anyways, I hope that you guys have enjoyed seeing these products in person. Hopefully I've given you some ideas of how you can use them. And don't forget about our January customer special. So for every $35 that you spend in January, you get 2 of our customer specials. So we have 5 different products that are on customer special, ranging from $10 to $15 to help you get organized. So if you don't know exactly what I'm talking about, scroll down on this page or go to my photo albums and you will see we have our organizing things on sale. A lot of our crafting supplies that are on sale. So if you are shopping with the Hostess, I'm going to put the link in the comments. So if you're shopping with the Hostess, when you click on my link, make sure you choose your Hostess when you place your order. So when you click on her name, it's going to come up and it's going to say RSVP or shop now. Click shop now and make sure that you do that on her name. And then when you're checking out, make sure that her name appears when you're checking out, because we want your Hostess to get credit for you placing an order on her party. And then if you are shopping but you do not have a Hostess, you can use my mystery Hostess link. So my mystery Hostess link is everyone who places an order on that link goes into a drawing. And at the end of the month, probably the end of the 3rd week in January, everybody's name is going to go in a drawing, and I'm going to draw out names for Hostess rewards on that party. So it's going to be a pretty big drawing. I'm excited about that. So Thank you guys so much for shopping with me. If you have any questions, or hey Gina, or if you want to see anything closer up or ideas of how you could use that, please reach out to me, because I love researching and giving you ideas of how and pictures of how you can use it. So hopefully I've went over everything I wanted to go over. If you're ever interested in joining 31 and doing what I do, I'd love to talk to you about that. I'm actually just downstairs in my basement. We had supper just a few minutes ago. Tried to go put on a little mascara, and I come downstairs and just showed you guys some products. So I love what I do. I love 31, and I love our mission, and I love sharing 31 and with everyone, because we are a faith-based company. Our name 31 comes from Proverbs 31 in the Bible, where it talks about the virtuous woman and how she's worthy of honor and praise, and how her price is far above rubies. And she enriches the life of her husband, her children, her family, and her community. And that's what I love sharing about 31. And I love this mission, and I love this company, and I would love to share it with you. So if you have any questions, let me know, and happy Friday.